Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable touch keyboard icon in Windows 11. If you want to do it, first you need to click right mouse button on icon with the Windows, and after that you need to go to settings. Then from the left panel you need to select personalization settings, and now we need to scroll down and open taskbar behaviors and system pins settings. And now on system tray icons options you need to choose which icons can appear in the system tray. One from available icons is touch keyboard. On default it is set to never be displayed, so if you want to show touch keyboard icon, you need to change this option from never to always or when no keyboard attached. So I recommend you to select here always, and after that you can check that on taskbar touch keyboard icon has been successfully displayed. So now if you click on this icon, you will see here touch keyboard. So you can type here anything you want. So how you see, it really works. If I helped you to use this option, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solves your problem.